Hey everyone, today I am going to walk you through the steps to cancel Esporta fitness membership quickly and easily. First of all, Android device. Open the Play Store on your device. Go to your profile at the top right of the screen. Tap on Payments and Memberships. Select Esporta membership from the options. Tap on the Cancel membership options. You will be provided with options and you need to choose the reason behind your membership cancellation. Choose the reason and continue. Tap cancel membership again. For iOS users, open settings on your iPhone device. Go to your Apple ID at the top. Tap on memberships. Choose Sporta Fitness from the given options. Tap cancel memberships. Confirm the cancellation process. You can cancel Esporta membership through email. Compose an email from your registered email address with the subject line membership cancellation and send it to this email address. Make sure you include details of your membership plan, account, and contract. You may also mention the reason for canceling and along with any issues. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.